going on? Nitish Kumar conspicuous by his social media silence. He hasn't spoken today either.
Nitish Kumar's handle, he is not a very active person on social media otherwise also. I've not, and you can correct me, have you done any major political debate based on Nitish Kumar's tweet, which you do for a lot of other tweets, right? Like Shashi Tharoor's and Narendra Modi's and Jairam Ramesh.
Shantanu, to be
right?
fair, 10
Hardly
hours
any,
ago,
right?
he has spoken on Sampoorn Kranti Divas के अवसर पर महान क्रांतिकारी and स्वतंत्रता सेनानी लोकनायक जयप्रकाश नारायण जी को नमन on विश्व पर्यावरण दिवस.
That's what I'm saying. No. That's what I'm saying. Have you ever done a debate on any tricky tweet of Nitish Kumar, which we usually do for a tweet of like a Shashi Tharoor or a Narendra Modi or a Jairam Ramesh? So he's not like he doesn't communicate through his voice through Twitter. I think he's already joined the NDA meeting, and there is no point in thinking that he's going away, at least not at this point.
JDU, incidentally, when they did their press conference, for the first half an hour, they only spoke about Nitish ji के नेतृत्व में हमारी को जीत हासिल हुई है, Nitish ji ने ये किया, हमारी इतने सीटें आई. They said nothing about the Prime Minister or the BJP or the NDA. They just said कि हमारा बहुत अच्छा प्रदर्शन हुआ है. And by the way, their spokesperson said कि कुछ सीटें हम हार गए, उनकी वजह तो आप जानते ही हैं.
This question is me?
Yes, Shantanu.
Yeah, see, I think because of Nitish Kumar moving in and out multiple times, there was surely a distress around his brand, right? People give him multiple names, right? Ayaram, Gairam, Palturam. I think so. That's why the whole party want to establish his image back, and that might be the reason. Whenever I hear any JDU spokesman for the last 2 days, they are putting their belief back on Nitish Kumar just to rebuild the brand Nitish Kumar. That must be the purpose, I think. Okay,
Rohan Mitra, it seems that INDI is really enjoying this. You know, just so कहते हैं कि trying to create trouble in paradise. पहले somebody said कि will Chandrababu Naidu asked for a special status. Then you said will Nitish Kumar ask for a caste census. अभी मतलब it's like बच्चा पैदा नहीं हुआ, हर कोई उस बच्चे के मुंडन में problem create कराने के लिए पहुंच गया है.
Very good evening, Padmaja. Padmaja, politics is an art of possibilities, and you know this better than everyone else. And the people who are involved in this whole, this whole saga which is going on till if the NDA can prove its majority at the parliament, so fair play to them. Till then, you will love it. And as the opposition, who were written off, who didn't get a chance, the NDA was going to get 400, the BJP was going to get 370 plus. We were anti-Hindu, we were so many different things, we were written off. The Congress was completely like, we had some of our own allies, like Mamata Banerjee said, the Congress won't make 40 seats. People change. This is Indian politics, people change as soon as the results come out. And as far as the meetings are concerned today, what's happening in the NDA meeting is by the book right now. I don't see any of the allies saying anything different. But as you just said, they are making their own demands behind the closed doors. And we'll see what happens if the BJP, which is till like the last 10 years, they've had a solo government, they've had the absolute majority, they've been running the show. So now it's going to be different for them. They're going to have to give a lot of their cabinet places away to their allies. And, so these are things, art of possibilities. Anything can happen, and you have the track record of Mr. Nitish Kumar and even Mr. Chandrababu Naidu.
These three words, I think we have heard the maximum in the last 12 hours. Anything can happen. Charu Pragya, I want to play out for you what Tejasvi Yadav said when he was asked very specifically about the unity flight that he and Nitish Kumar decided to take to Delhi. Listen in.
नहीं सलाम दुआ हुई, फिर देखिए कि मेरा सीट पीछे लौट था, तो बाद में वो देखे आए हैं तो हमको आगे बुलाए तो हम आगे चले गए.
तो कुछ बात हुई, पॉलिटिकल बात?
अब ये सब छोड़िए, ये सब समय पे बात किया जाता है, ये सारी बातें बाहर नहीं बताई जाती.
ओके, जब समय सही होगा तो सब बता देंगे. चारू प्रज्ञा, if they are not breaking Nitish away, they are definitely keeping you hanging.
Padmaja, good evening.
I think this is only a question of trying to create some suspense and maybe getting attention, but that's about it. Because Nitish ji was a part of the NDA meeting today, very firmly so, and Chandrababu Naidu ji in fact gave a statement reminding everyone again of his commitment to Prime Minister Modi. We also should remember that on Monday, Nitish ji had a one-on-one meeting with the Prime Minister, and apparently, so the rumor mills go, that this was discussed. If there's ever a chance of Nitish ji leaving Modi ji, and he assured him that's never going to happen. And even when you look at the numbers in these elections, Bharatiya Janata Party is the party with the highest number of seats, much, much, much higher than any other political party. In fact, by itself, BJP has got more seats than the entire India Alliance put together. In fact, I should be asking the question the other way round. Is India Alliance really sure that some of their alliances are not going to leave them and join the NDA? That's the more important question.